Curtain lifts, the lights go low, the world behind begins to glow. A silent breath, a spark, a spin. This is where the dreams begin. Magic lives in every line, in every step, a perfect sign. The stage is real, the night is wide, and wonder waits on every side. A single word, a soft refrain, can heal a heart, can ease the pain. We laugh, we cry, we lose, we win. It all begins with just a grin. Magic lives in every line, in whispered notes and grand design. The lights may fade, but not the flame. The theater calls us by our name. There's truth that only dreamers know. And when we dance beneath the stars, the world is ours, the stage is ours, ours. Magic lives in every line, a spell that time cannot define. The curtain falls, the night will end, but here the magic will transcend.